Fresh tension erupted at Sabal area in Imphal West District after houses belonging to Meetei community were set on fire by Kuki community. The arson incident was reported at around 1:30 p.m. today when Kuki miscreants burnt 3 houses that belonged to Meetei community at adjoining area of Sabal and Leimakhong. Security forces and fire service team arrived at the spot and saved the houses from suffering further damage. According to Manipur police, about 600 mob belonging to Kuki community attempted to advance towards Sabal and security forces intervened promptly and prevented a potential communal clash. However, some miscreants reportedly set fire on abandoned houses that belonged to Meetei community. According to police, attempts to burn the houses were swiftly contained and a case has been registered into the incident. Meanwhile, following the arson of Meetei houses, arid villagers of Sabal also tried to storm toward Leimakhong, where houses have been put on fire, but security forces stopped the villagers from proceeding further, and this resulted to major scuffle between villagers and security forces. Security forces reportedly resorted to firing tear gas shells and baton charge to disperse arid villagers. Meanwhile, Sekmai Dingo has informed that 3 persons have been arrested in connection with arson of Meetei houses. Calling it a huge security lapse, Dingo said the incident occurred right in front of Indian Army headquarters in Leimakhong and asserted that the incident happened due to negligence of security forces who were stationed at the area.
Savanda, Meetei protesters in Laganga, my targets in the sea on whatever topic move, semi can be Emilia Moina Masi and so whatever power we have used from the Maruina, Armidi, Leva, Armidi, Mount Leva, and Usrida, Laka, the Sangal Gas, man, may have a sea, so good negligence, hide the name, looking lost in the Habaksamana. Maruina, was it come upon might have the cellar, and when Marie may have whom only party have been Chapsava Villa, other Makata, Topo Lemori, when listening to Pani, Chapsava in the middle, because it was essentially the Maruina for you. That means I can go to the station city, Grand Limarum, the Marine, in the relax of Pasana Pami Port, I was so quickly lapses, the hand another report, my own same as well as I'm going to do it because I'm in the power of the 15 away from Honazari.
Kalosita ni aina hajari je ai changan da mai kan biyo ji tani mai chak wa je ure ba michina to tan kan biyo hai ba ya da ba ase si mai chak ko loire tu me hai be ke la hai kan mo
ya ya song ka pa
akhoi da ka pi ba
adu ne ai
akhoi da ka pi ba ladies ka ta mamang thai ku tha ba ya di akhoi du da ladies ayaw da ba si ya sin ji da ki ko ki de sum yaw chale ba ai na pien ji pi ta ai imang da ai kan ja ge ha ba ji mo tha de ba moi jo ina ha ra ga tham ba ko gi loi re hai ra kan da tha bu e ba adu de kari nu gyan men ta de ba khang de kari hai du no pien da ba kai thal de ba
moi lai kari ko lam ta du lang thong di 2023 May 3 da lan thong ne February 3 da hong ma ne tha hum cha cha da pha da lan chil kan de da